So if you want to sue the credit bureaus, do you need to hire a lawyer? The answer is no. But keep in mind, if your credit repair company is using Metro 2, you cannot sue. If your credit repair company is doing online disputes or using systems that they've made up in their mind called ACAT, guess what? You can't sue. You need a paper trail, and that's exactly why we send our disputes by mail. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We do things the right way here at Everything Credit LLC, but you do not have to hire a lawyer to sue the credit bureaus. Your CRO can do it for you if they know what they're doing and they know what to look for. Again, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.